Hello students. Today we will be continuing with Polynomials Chapter 2 Class 9. Today I will be doing some extra sums from R.S. Agarwal. The question which I have written right now is question number 20 of page 92 R.S. Agarwal. The question is, if px equals to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and qx equals to x cube plus x square minus of 4x plus a, leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Show that a equals to minus 13 by 3. That is, two polynomials are given and they leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. We have to prove that a equals to minus 13 by 3. So let us start the proof. Now this polynomial px when divided by x minus 2, remainder will be p2. So we will write px when divided by x minus 2, remainder equals to p2. Now let us find p2. p2 equals to 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus of 5. So this will be equals to 8 to the 16 plus 4a plus of 6 minus of 5. So this will be equals to 4a plus of 16 and 6 is 22. 22 minus 5 is 17. Let us make it equation number 1. Again, qx when divided by x minus 2 remainder equals to q2. Now q2 will be equals to 2 cube plus 2 square minus of 4 into 2 plus of a. This will be equals to 8 plus 4 minus of 8 plus of a. So this will be equals to 4 plus of a. Let us make it equation number 2. Now, according to question, P2 equals to Q2. This implies 4a plus 17 equals to 4 plus of a. This implies 4a minus of a will be 3a equals to 4 minus of 17. This implies a equals to minus of 13 by 3. Proved. The next question which I have taken is question number 19 of page 92 R.S. Agarwal. The question says that if a plus b plus c equals to 5, ab plus bc plus ca equals to 10, prove that aq plus bq plus cq minus of 3abc equals to minus of 25. Now, before solving any question, the analyzation or the planning of the question should be there in your mind. Now, we know this identity aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus of ca. Now this value is given over here as 5. This ab plus bc plus ca value is given as 10, but we don't know the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So first we need to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which we can find by squaring the given value of a plus b plus c. So we will start with proof. Since we will start right, a plus b plus c is equals to 5. This implies a plus b plus c whole square equals to 25. This implies a square plus b square plus c square plus of twice ab plus bc plus ca equals to 25. This implies a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of this value 10 equals to 25. This implies a square, here we will write given, a square plus b square plus c square equals to 25 minus 20 equals to 5. Let us make it equation number 1. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus of 3abc, the formula we will write directly, equals to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus of ab minus of bc minus of ca. So this value we will be taking from the given condition. A plus b plus c is 5 and a square plus b square plus c square we have calculated from equation 1 as 5 minus ab plus bc plus ca is 10. So this will be equals to 5 into minus of 5 equals to minus 25. We have to prove the same thing, hence proved. The next question which I have taken is question number 16 of page 92 R.S. Agarwal. The question is, if x plus 1 and x minus 1 are factors of a polynomial px equals to ax cube plus x squared minus 2x plus b, find the value of a and b. So here the given polynomial is px equals to ax cube plus of x square minus of 2x plus b. Now x plus 1 is a factor of px. Therefore p of minus 1 equals to 0. This implies a into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus of 2 into minus 1 plus of b equals to 0. This implies minus of a plus of 1 plus of 2 plus of b equals to 0. This implies minus of a plus of b equals to minus of 3. Let us make it equation number 1. Also, x minus 1 is a factor of px. Therefore, p1 equals to 0 implies a into 1 cube plus of 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus of b equals to 0. This implies a plus 1 minus 2 plus b equals to 0. This implies a plus b equals to 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which will go this side, will become 1. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. So let us take the value of let us take any of the value of a and b from 2 and substitute in 1. So this implies a equals to 1 minus b. Therefore 1 implies 1 minus of b minus of 1 minus of b plus of b equals to minus of 3. This implies minus 1 plus of b equals to minus 3. This implies 2b equals to minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2, implies b equals to minus 1. Therefore, a equals to 1 minus b, 1 minus of b equals to 1 minus of minus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, answer is a equals to 2, b equals to -1. So what we did in this question, since it is given that x plus 1 and x minus 1 are factors of the given polynomial, we equated p minus 1 and p1 as 0. We got two equations. Solving these two equations, we will be getting the value of the two variables a and b, two unknown constants a and b, and hence the answer.